Hi, my name is Seung Kim. I'm a professor at Stanford, and I run a lab focused on hormones and diabetes. Come walk with me as I show you around the lab and talk about what we do.
What's one thing you wish more people understood about your work?
How just damn exciting it is to be a scientist. It's so much fun to be involved with discovery. Nature guards her secrets jealously, so you have to work hard to try to understand it. But in the end, if you get a glimpse of the way that nature might work, it's enthralling and addictive.
How would you explain your research to a middle schooler?
I think the simplest way of describing it is that we study the way the body keeps its chemistry in balance. And in particular, the hormone we're focused on is something called insulin, which many people know about because people who have a disease called diabetes are deficient in that hormone.
If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be?
Not to be so afraid of failure. One of the beauties of science is that you get to fail and fail forward, and it's not a catastrophe.
Favorite aha moment in science?
Discovering what the ancient beta cell was. So the beta cell is the producer of insulin in our bodies. In 2000, we discovered that the ancient primordial beta cell were neurons in the fruit fly. Let me show you this room. Each of these bottles has hundreds of fruit flies in it. It's in this organism that we discovered the origins of insulin-producing cells in the animal kingdom.
What did you want to be when you were a kid?
I wanted to be the starting catcher for the New York Yankees.
What was your first job?
My first job was renovating apartments. But I learned a lot, and although my wife will deny it, I think I know how to change a light bulb now.
Who's someone who shaped how you think or work?
My parents.
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl in youth, with aging, early bird.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Mountains or beach?
Mountains and streams.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise.
Phone call or text?
Letter.
What's your go-to comfort meal?
Either something Korean or something Italian.
What's your walk-up song?
Well, if I were starting catcher for the New York Yankees, I would pick Born to Run. But realistically, my walk-up song is Johann Sebastian Bach.
What's a small daily habit that keeps you grounded?
I like to make my bed.
When you're not thinking about medicine or science, what's the first thing you do?
I think about my kids and my wife, and when I'm thinking about relaxing and getting away from everything, then I think about going fishing.
So tell us about Elvis.
I owe a debt of gratitude because I exist, in part because of his genius. My father decided he would focus on learning English. My mother, who he was dating at the time, liked the way he sang songs by Elvis. Eventually they courted and married, and I was born a little while later.
Favorite Elvis song?
There's Always Me. It's not one of the more popular ones, but it really showcases his young, beautiful voice. And so I am thankful to Elvis for all those things.